Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PNC account with the Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a PNC account and you want to start keeping track of your finances on the Rocket Money app. How do you actually go ahead and connect both of them together? This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first open up the Rocket Money app. Now, once you have the app opened, you want to click on the gear icon on the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on Linked Accounts. And then from here, click on Add Institution. Now, this is a list of banks that can actually connect to your Rocket Money account. Go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find PNC, and then click on PNC. Now, once you've done so, you're going to see this software called Plaid open up. Plaid is what Rocket Money uses to actually connect your bank account with Rocket Money. It connects it in seconds, and it also keeps your data safe. Click on Continue, and then follow your on-screen prompts. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect PNC account with your Rocket Money app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.